Denver Flagstone patio installation by Dad's Diversified. Another patio and home improvement from Denver, Colorado. We started this Flagstone patio installation about a week and a half ago. If you saw the video before, we tore out the rock, regraded the side of the yard here, and installed this custom flagstone walkway and patio. We also installed this custom flower bed and planter box made of stripstone flagstone. It's approximately a foot tall, and our homeowners will fill it up with a good planters mix and start a new vegetable and perennial garden. We just wanted to share a few minutes of our project that we completed today. This is custom cut and mortared in on a 4-inch thick concrete footer bed with rebar. We leveled in each piece of stripstone flagstone and mortared each piece in. We'll take you over to the other patio. Installed this flagstone over here as well. Before there was 1.5-inch river rock, so we tore all that out and installed this flagstone between the home and the garage. It's approximately 400 square feet of flagstone. And again, we cut in each piece, mostly hand chiseled, cut in some of the sides, and we installed a polymeric sand throughout all the grout joints to create a watertight seal for the water to run off and away from the home and off of the patio. So thanks for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time on another patio and home improvement from Denver, Colorado. This is Dad's Diversified. If you like what you see, please send us a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hit the like button if you like what you see. And if you really like what you see, subscribe to our YouTube channel.